Good afternoon. It's 2 o'clock. This is current condition. Here's radar. Past couple hours. We're starting to see a little bit of development to the south and east by the Texas Panhandle and Oklahoma Red River. Here's the forecast for the next few days. Okay, here's pretty much some information we're going to do. Watches and warnings and advisories. No fire weather to report. High winds advisories. Stuff, nothing to report there. We are not currently under any severe weather or advisories or warnings or watches at this time. Okay, this is what's going to happen right here. Here's the severe weather forecast for the next few days. This is today's forecast for severe weather. Here's the south part of the state, severe weather risk. This is tomorrow outlook. Tomorrow we get a little bit of showers and thunderstorms possible to the southeast. This is Sunday's forecast for severe weather. There's nothing to the south. This is today's tornado risk. We do have a chance of a risk of tornadoes in our area in the green indicated. That's a percentage on the map. Here's the hail risk percentage for North Oklahoma and South Oklahoma. Okay, here's the wind risk for northern Oklahoma and South Oklahoma. The yellow is percentage, the highest. This is Saturdays, nothing's going on. We will not have any severe weather risk in that area for Saturday. Here's Sunday's severe hail outlook. It'll be none. Same as the possibility of severe weather with no wind. Problems on these days. Sunday is still looking good. No severe weather. Okay, we'll go ahead and go over some more maps. This is a wide view of what's going on today. Severe weather-wise, we are in slight risk. This is Saturday. All shifts to the east. This is Saturday. You can tell they're all shifted away from us. Sunday looking even better. It's all shifted pretty much all to the south and southeast. Monday's looking really good, guys. We are clear from the severe weather throughout the states. Tuesday's looking good. Same thing. We are still clear for severe weather from the United States. Wednesday, still looking good. Thursday's looking good too. So today's the only major risk today we have to worry about. Here's the satellite from space for Oklahoma. This is the United States satellite. This is the wide view. This is pretty much what they are calling for. This is what the National Weather Service is calling for right here. This is thunderstorm risk maps. They kind of slim it a little bit back there. Here's the possible timing for the storms to arrive in your area, indicated by the cutters. 1, 2, 3. Here's the flooding possible today and tomorrow. We already have pretty good risk for flooding. And this is pretty much your seasonal weekend outlook. Looking good.